Now, we're a patriotic family, so we thought there would be no better way to show our patriotism toward America than to eat some red, white, and blue crayons. So we saw this before, and we thought it would be, it'd be kind of funny to eat some crayons. Not really nervous, he kind of is. I don't care.
Blue's my favorite color.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, I thought it was... Anyway, red's mine. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna get right down to business on eating these crayons, and we'll see how it goes.
They're supposed to be non-toxic.
We'll be good. So it'll be nice and fun.
Whether... I don't know how many crayons we're going to actually eat. I don't think we're going to eat all 3 of them.
I'm eating all 3 of them, and you are too.
No, I don't think so.
We're eating all 3.
I mean,
anyway,
we'll see how long it takes me to eat 1 crayon, and we'll
it's not.
go
I'm gonna mow down on this one.
I've got a small piece of blue already, so...
All right. I guess let's do it.
I don't want to. Oh! It's like you're not supposed to be eating it, but you're eating it anyway. Like, I mean, you always hear about the kid who eats sparkles and glue and stuff, and
that's waxy.
I don't want my tongue to be all. Tasty.
It's no different than a wax bottle, actually. Except you're not supposed to swallow those either. Or you can, but...
It's like you know you're not supposed to be eating a crayon. But you're eating... but you're eating a crayon anyway. I felt my tongue doesn't turn blue. It like keeps it in the back of my tongue. I don't like it. Oh no, my tongue's getting blue.
Oh, this is interesting enough. No water for me. I'm a man.
You already eat a whole crayon?
That's sometimes in my mouth.
I still have half a crayon left. Oh, I'm eating the most disgusting looking one too. It's got all the white junk on it.
Oh God!
You should get a bucket.
Ooh!
I can't believe I'm eating a crayon.
My body didn't like the rest of that one. Bon appetit. You know what they say, whites are the best.
That's not really nice.
No, it's not. I'm sorry.
I don't want to.
I'm overthinking it.
It's just a chip. Really crunchy chip. It's like there's no flavor until you like really dig in, man. I really like the taste of blue.
Come on, Nancy. I'm already done with.
I gotta chew it up so it doesn't cause intestinal blockage. Okay.
That one went down fine, actually. Yeah.
God,
Just blue.
Oh, that's a big piece. You know, this one's actually a lot better than the blue.
Oh.
The blue was really, like, dried out. And this is really disgusting.
Red was definitely my flavor. It was, cherry.
Can't wait. Cannot wait. You think this will make my teeth whiter?
I don't know.
I can't see how much
I
time
have red
we
on my
have.
glass from. Yeah, you probably can't see it. Oh, you can a little bit.
Yeah. I don't know how much time we have.
Gotta move it. Whee! Move. Oh, 5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes of eating crayons.
I already have 2 down.
This one's probably... It's been used, so it's been on... Oh.
See, this one has like weird,
Can't even get it in
this
my
one has
mouth.
weird stuff on it.
Yeah.
The other one doesn't look nearly as appetizing.
Blue is very disgusting.
Oh boy.
White looks the cleanest. Mmm.
It's because it's hiding all the spots.
It tastes the cleanest.
Right.
Wait! I got finished my cram.
Are we gonna see who can eat this one the fastest?
No.
Yeah, I bet I can win. I'm used to it now.
I'm like half.
Overthinking. It's just a crunchy chip. There's a bag of Tostitos over there. It's just one of them. Those.
Wait. I got... Can I refill?
No. Ready? I could slide this down my throat.
Nope. Oh, that hurt.
Ready?
No!
I'm going. Oh, I'm going to crunch. Oh, come on.
Oh, that was a bad idea.
He's going right now. No water.
I'm going to soak if I don't have water.
No water. Keep going.
I'm drinking water.
You can see her. Oh, did you want it too? If I vomit, I gotta clean it up.
Oh, that's way too much crayon. I just ate 3 crayons! Woo!
There it is. Patriotism. We love America.
Oh, I can't
I was actually nasty.
Don't do
I'm
that.
full now, though. Ooh, look, a little leftover crayon. I don't want it.
Don't do this. We were professionals as of 8 minutes ago.
Yeah, we looked it up or something like that. I didn't care. It was fun though. All right, so that's us eating 3 crayons and showing our patriotism through the red, white, and blue crayons. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned for more stupid eating stuff. We'll eat a pencil next.